Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back with a week in my Hobonichi Cousin, which is an A5 size planner. I held that washi up because it is gorgeous. It's from the Winter Twilight collection from Coco Daisy and has the most fine glitter included in it, like embedded in it. It's so pretty, and I'm not even necessarily into glitter, but I love it. I am using these Winter Twilight stickers from Coco Daisy, both the sticker kit for planners and then also like just a daisy add-on sticker. It's just a bunch of decorative stickers. And then I'm going to use these happy planner boxes as well. You'll see in a minute how I put them together. I have taken these sticker books apart to just not have to flip through for, like, say I want one green sticker, not have to flip through like 5 books to find one green sticker, because I have like 5 copies of the exact same book. So I just put together blues and greens, blues and purples, black, gold, silver, that type of thing. It works out great for me. I really am enjoying the way that I did this, and it's saved me a bunch of time. Now here I went through and I picked the colors that matched the kit the best that I wanted to use. And these stickers are a little bit wider than the Hobonichi Week columns. I'd say they're probably like, I don't know, 1.25 inches instead of 1.5 inches. And so I just trim those off most of the time. I don't always do that, but most of the time. And I don't do it precisely either because I don't care. It's not important to me that it's exact. I am fine with it being a little bit, maybe a little bit over, a little bit under, not completely straight. I think at the end of the week, you can't really tell. Now the other spots, I'm going to go ahead and draw boxes using a mild liner. This is what I do every week, by the way. This is how I plan in this planner. I know I don't normally share this planner with you, the plan with me. I just don't mostly think that it's really all that interesting. That's why I don't share it. So I am going to go ahead and use this little ruler to draw the dash marks that I include. I sometimes do, sometimes don't. Most of the time I don't. But more often than not, because I'm sitting on the couch and doing this and something like that. And so it's not really entirely necessary that I have the ruler, but the ruler definitely does keep it a little bit more straight. And not only that, it really keeps me being a little bit more mindful of what I'm doing, as opposed to just sort of, oh yeah, I end up thinking about something else and then I come back to it and it's not great. So this is really a good thing for me to use the ruler, and I should use that as a reminder going forward. So the mild liner really adds that extra pop of color, and I don't like using the boxes like 100%. I like to alternate with the mild liner boxes. I just think it looks a lot better. Now I'm going to add some decorative elements, of course, in a triangle. Now this first one is my most favorite. I put down the full box, I put down that little wreath, and then on top of it, that clear definition. I think it's super cute. Now, these full boxes don't fit necessarily in the areas where I have left room for them, so I did need to trim them down a little bit. Both the width, of course, because the width is lesser than the stickers, but then also the height, because I was adding these to the top portion, and that top portion is fairly small. Now, yes, I know I could make it even and move it down, but for whatever reason, I really like it like this, and so that's why I do not have it be completely exact throughout the week. Now I want to create another little cluster over where that decorative box, sorry, I was just not thinking. And so I used another little box to layer on top of it. Now I'll go back and I will add all of the things that are going on this week for my daily section, which is where I put all of the things initially, like I write them down in the daily section. I use this weekly as a week at a glance, like so I can see an overview of all of the things that are going on. I've really found I feel really good about this setup, having a week at the glance where I'm not writing all of the things. Like I'm not writing all my to-do lists or anything like that, just the activities, the appointments, the plans. And then on the dailies, I'm really digging in and getting really super detailed. And I can't tell you how much I'm loving this. Like I'm almost stuttering. I'm so excited about it. It's really doing great things for me. I'm able to not only put down to-dos and things like that and, keep track of what's going on, but then also happy mail I receive, other things that are going on, priorities. It's really just working out wonderfully for me. I love it a lot. So then I write the activities and appointments at the week at a glance so I can just look at that real quick and get an overview of the week all at once, and it's perfect. Honestly, what would really probably work best for me is a planner that had like a decent monthly view, not like with a to-do column and stuff, just a monthly view, and then the dailies, but that doesn't really exist, so I don't have it. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. Make it a great day.